A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. OMG, I got ADHD.
I got ADHD and I wanna fucking kill myself. Take it, I don't want to, but I really feel like I need help. I am just a little boy, don't make me take the Adderall. One more second passes and I feel like my retina ball. I got ADHD and I wanna fucking kill myself. Take it, I don't want to, but I really feel like I need help. I am just a little boy, don't make me take the Adderall. One more second passes and I feel like my retina ball.
Bees in my head, bees in my head, bees in my head. I got bees in my head. I can talk this up to the arrows from face on my face. If another second passes, they tell me I'm a disgrace.
Watch the time go by, watch the rain pour down. It's a different state, you're in a different town, and I might drown. I'm a little hyperactive, but not right now. Did I just get F's in all my classes? What?
Bees in my head, bees in my head.